How to add moderators on TikTok Live. Firstly, open TikTok app in your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After that, go to the filming section by clicking on the plus icon from the bottom panel. Then you will reach to your filming section. From here, choose the option Live. Now before going live, click on the setting option that is indicated by a setting gear from the right panel. After you click on it, then various setting options for live will be displayed to you. From here, select the second option, which is to add moderators. After that, an interface like this will be opened. The moderators that you have added before in your live will be shown here. Either you can choose from them, or if you want to add a new person to your moderator list, then click on the add icon that is in the top right corner. After that, a list of your friends will be displayed to you. From here, you can add moderators to your live. Simply click on the add button to add them as moderators. If you can't find your friends, then you can even search for them in the search bar at the top. Now there's one thing that you need to make sure. You cannot add people that you don't follow. You can only add people to your moderators who are your friends. Now by friends in the TikTok language means that you two should be following each other. If you guys follow each other, that means that you are friends and you can add them to your moderator lists. Moderator can control your live and live conversations, so make sure you choose wisely. So this is how you can select moderators in TikTok Live. And that is it for this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.